Hello, so today I am going to be filming yet another haul video. Basically did a huge ASOS summer dress haul. I'll just point out there's a rather large pile of the dresses sitting next to me, but I literally ordered a massive selection just to hope that I could maybe pick one or two, or one or two would fit nice and look nice, and then obviously I will send the rest back, because ASOS do that thing, I want to say it's called like Klarna or something like that, where you can like order stuff and then it comes that you literally pay for what you keep, something like that. So obviously that's a benefit because I don't have much money. So yeah, there's probably about 10 items, which is quite a lot, but yeah, like I said, I will hopefully find one or two, maybe three dresses, because yeah, I realised I was sort of lacking dresses. It's funny that I'm actually filming this haul today, because it's been such nice weather and then it is raining today. Classic UK. But yeah, it's windy, it's rainy, it's horrible. So hopefully trying on these dresses will make me feel a bit more summery again, because currently at the moment I'm feeling rather autumnal, shall we say. But yeah, let's just get straight into it with the first dress. Okay, so this is the first dress that I ordered. I've literally not opened any of it, not even looked at it. But telling from this packet, this colour looks rather different to what it did online, I think, if I remember. I thought it was going to be more of like a white, creamy sort of colour, and actually it's quite, I don't know, I don't really know how to describe this. Okay, I did not remember it looking like this. They're very cute little rope straps. This is so strange, I did not think that it had these, but that is cute. Obviously I'm just going to try it all on so you'll just be able to see you know, what everything looks like. Also, I've worn like the worst top. It's sort of not great for like moving your arms about and stuff, and I don't really know how to have my hair. Okay, so the next thing is actually a play suit, which I forgot that I ordered, but I think it's still within like sort of like the 9 things or the 10 things, whatever. But I mean, they're the same sort of thing, aren't they? You know, they do a similar job to a dress. Just literally making a pile of this packaging down by it. This is going to be a nightmare to package back up. God, didn't think this through. Oh, so sorry, I forgot to say, that last dress was just ASOS own brand, and this is Brave Soul, but it's on ASOS, whatever you want to call it. Okay, this actually looks massive. I think this is from the petite range of Brave Soul, but it's just like navy with a cute little floral print with it. Adjustable straps as well, which is always a bonus. You know, not everyone has the same sort of length here, so that's good. Yeah, that looks cute. I just think that looks rather big. I don't know, hard to tell when it's off. But yeah, this looks cute. Okay, the next thing is another dress. This is also ASOS own. Just this really cute, you'll see it in a minute, just this really cute white soft dress with flowers on and some nice, you know, thin spaghetti straps. This looks really nice actually. Just like that really nice soft material, you just know it's going to be nice and lightweight and cool. But yeah, these straps feel quite good material actually, considering how thin they are. And then it's just like that at the back, and again it's just like a little mini dress. Like I said, I was just trying to go for some side dresses for when it is warm, rather than like any longer ones. But yeah, this looks very cute. I'm excited to try this on. Okay, next up we have another floral dress. Now this one is actually from Pretty Little Thing, but again it's was sold on ASOS. This is probably more like a, what would you call this? Like a creamy colour, like off-white, would you say maybe? And it's just this off-the-shoulder dress. Hold on, I have to show you properly if I just tuck this label in, because that doesn't give the full effect. Yeah, it's just this really cute off the shoulder dress with little like nice sleeves, and again it is a mini dress. This is cute, so it's got little tie bits on the chest. I thought that was around the waist. So there's little tie bits just here, so that would be cute. You could do that in like a little bow if you wanted. But yeah, I'm a sucker for an off the shoulder. I just think they're so flattering. And yeah, this looks rather short actually, but I suppose if it's down low, it obviously comes across, comes up longer, I suppose. Is that what? It's a playsuit. Sorry, that's the bottom. I could have sworn that's a dress. Okay, I've got another thing here from the brand Brave Soul. Wow, this looks really cute actually. Let me just check this is a dress this time. Yeah, it's a dress. Again, nice little mini dress in this cute pink and white striped. Lovely adjustable straps. I was just looking at the straps thinking, wow, they look very short. Let's lengthen them out so you get a better gist. There you go. Just this cute little, I guess almost like a little V-neck. Yeah, this looks really sweet. Right, the next dress, I accidentally ordered two of, but you know, you only need to see one, that's annoying, so obviously we'll send that back. I don't know how I managed to order two of the same, but somehow I did. Now this is actually the main reason that I wanted to get some dresses. I don't know why, but I was really after a black dress with the little cute like brown tortoiseshell buttons down. Just literally whacked myself in the face there. So this one is a little cute off the shoulder one. As I said, I love the off the shoulder one. This is ASOS own brand, and it sort of looks like it's quite tight at the top and then comes out, I guess kind of like skatery style, would you say? I don't know, you'll probably be able to tell better when I try it on. Again, this is Brave Soul, so clearly I was going for a little theme around here. This one is really cute actually. Yeah. So this one is like ribbed material. Don't know if you can see that in the camera, you might be able to see it better in the try on. With little strappy straps that look like you can undo them and tighten them as you know what sort of fit you are after. It looks like the same sort of style at the bottom, almost sort of comes out, sorry, from your waist. Little pocket, that's always handy. But yeah, this is really cute actually. This is really nice soft material again that will just keep you nice and cool in the summer when it's really warm. I think this was the one that was sort of slightly more expensive. But I thought it looked really, really cute. This is again the ASOS Petite range that they do, and I think I size up in this because it was petite, although it looks quite big actually. In fact, quite a lot bigger than what I would normally go for. I don't know, might look nice on. But yeah, I just thought this looked really nice. It's almost like a linen-y material with a cute little pattern on. Just really nice, cute for the summer. Yeah, I'm going to be really annoyed actually if this is going to be too big, because this is actually really nice. Okay, so this dress I'd actually been looking at on ASOS for quite a while. Again, just their own brand. This off-the-shoulder sort of reddy, pinky sort of colour. I'm really rubbish at describing them. And it's just got this tie belt to go around the waist and this cute little like frilliness at the bottom, and it's the same at the top as well. And then it's got cute little I don't know what you would call that, little like stitching of flowers or something, whatever, you see what I mean. But yeah, this looks really nice. Hopefully the colour will suit me. I don't really know if this is like the sort of colour that will look nice, but yeah, I don't really own anything like this, so I thought this was really sweet. Right, we are down to the final two now, both polka dot, just because I do love a bit of polka dot in my wardrobe. This is never a colour that I would normally pick. It's so pretty, but it's just not the sort of thing that I'd normally wear. But I thought this was really nice. Again, off the shoulder, blue polka dot dress. It's just done up by a zip at the back. Sort of comes out flowy at the bottom. And again, like a nice, just short, lightweight dress. Yeah, this is really sweet, but like I said, I just never wear this colour, so this makes my hair look really short. Yeah, never really wear this colour, but it looks really, really pretty. Okay, the last dress is another polka dot dress. This one is also pretty and girly. It is a pink dress. I've got it upside down. So let me just do the straps up. So, a cute little strappy one. This one actually looks really, really nice. Really nice, sort of thin but nice lightweight material. Literally perfect when it's warm. Really cute and pretty and girly. I don't normally wear things like this, but this looks really cute actually. I hope I like this. Yeah, it just feels good. It doesn't look like it's going to be see-through, which sometimes obviously when material's thin it can be. Again, ASOS own brand, which is good. Quite nice that again it's got these straps that you can literally untie and adjust to how you want the dress to sit on you. And yeah, it looks like it's sort of fitting at the top, which is nice, and then comes out nice floaty. Okay, so I really hope that you enjoyed this haul. I am now going to try all these dresses on, and fingers crossed, one, that I can find some, but also that I don't like them all. Because looking at them all right now, I really like the look of them. But hopefully, maybe some will be like too big, even though that'll be sad because they're all really nice. But yeah, I'll hopefully find a couple new summer dresses. And yeah, it was nice. I haven't shopped on ASOS in their like summer stuff really. I mean, I did get a few bits from there from holiday, but it was just like a t-shirt and a hat. Which, you know, not really wide range of what they offer, but I literally looked through pages and pages of dresses, which usually I find like quite overwhelming. It's like, wow, there's so many. But I took my time and I feel like I picked quite a good bunch to try and test. Hopefully the quality of them will be good, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!